Hey guys, it's Chloe. Welcome back or welcome to my channel. If you're new here, a majority of my videos I have posted here on my YouTube channel have to do with modifications to the third generation Toyota Tacoma. And I have to say that over the last 2 years of me posting videos to this channel along with just building up these third generation Tacomas, I sort of realized that I just have this obsession with making LED upgrades. It started out by first me just replacing my stock halogen fog lights with better LED ones for off-road use. I kind of thought that was all I was gonna do, but as I drove my truck more and more, I started to want to make more LED upgrades, so then came the headlights. I added pod lights to my steel bumper. I replaced all the bulbs in my taillights to be LED ones, made my interior lighting all LED, added footwell LED lighting. Even my mirror turn signals, which came halogen from the factory, are now LED. So anyways, in today's video, I'm going to be continuing on with this LED upgrade. I'm going to be installing a plug-and-play VLEDs LP reverse light kit and some new VLEDs reverse light bulbs on my stock taillights. Now, the reason I'm doing this, and basically the advantage of installing a modification like this, is that you're gonna get much brighter light when you're reversing. This is gonna make backing up at night safer, and I think for me in particular, I'm gonna get a lot of use out of this installed product when I'm off-roading in the desert at night, especially because I don't have chase lights. But either way, whether it be on the dirt or on the pavement, backing up at night is gonna be so much easier with this truck because of the increased visibility. This was such an easy install that required minimal tools, so if you're interested, let's get started on this project. So through these clips, you guys can probably see how I brightened up my reverse lights significantly on this truck. I basically added the LP reverse light system, which is basically an extra light bar that sits on top of my license plate. Now, I additionally opted to get their full license plate frame that this module fits in really nicely to for a clean look, but you could get just this upper part right here, and you don't need the frame if you don't want it. So this module right here is actually a whopping 1800 lumens. It is so bright. The color of these LEDs are all uniform. They are 5500K white, which is kind of like a pure white, not too blue, not too orange, just a nice crisp white light. And by the way, if you're curious or wanted to count it out yourself, there are 72 surface mount LEDs on this module itself. Now, additionally, you can kind of see through the reverse light section on the tail light. Besides the license plate light bar that I just showed you, I decided to upgrade the reverse lights themselves to the VLEDs 5500K white ones. So they are the same color temperature as the license plate light bar is. I love how they match when everything is lit up. Another advantage of adding these bulbs, if you decide to do this license plate light kit, is that they reduce current draw on the reverse circuit because the license plate bar that I added introduces a small amount of load. Adding these two bulbs, as you'll see, isn't necessary, but in my opinion, it's just a really nice touch, and obviously it will help to brighten up while reversing way more than the stock halogen bulbs do. Real quick, I wanted to mention that the reason I decided to even look into installing this kit in the first place was I had never actually installed any VLED products up until a couple weeks ago. They came out with this brand new product. It was automatic footwell lighting for the Toyota Tacoma. When they put out pictures of that kit before they even released it, it looked really cool, so I decided to give them a try. And I actually have a whole video where I install them and review them and everything. But basically, long story short, I was so impressed by just the sheer quality on the LEDs themselves. I know that with the third gen Toyota Tacoma, there are a plethora of places where you can get your LED products, but just having gone through so many LED products and then for the first time actually seeing and experiencing a VLED product in my hand, again, I was just really impressed. I mean, they CNC machine like all of their little pieces. When you take a look at the surface mount LEDs, they're all perfectly aligned, they're perfectly soldered. I feel like they just really are the top of the top when it comes to LED products for your Tacoma. Now, I really honestly don't spend a lot of time in my videos just talking about the build quality in that much detail for different products I use, but I have to say I was just really impressed by VLEDs. So anyways, that's my long way of saying that I really wanted to try out their other Tacoma products, which is why I got this kit. Okay, enough with that. Now let's get into the install of this product. Okay, so to start out, let me show you guys everything I have to basically complete this project, starting out with a pair of these 921 VLEDs reverse light bulbs. Again, these are 5500K white. These are very high output LEDs, and there's actually 36 LEDs on each of these bulbs. And then the next thing I have is the Toyota Tacoma specific LP series 1800 lumens LED reverse light system. So with this kit, you're gonna first get one LP reverse module. This is waterproof. It's got a UV resistant polycarbonate lens, CNC'd aluminum body, and it's got dual internal drivers. So this is a very nice piece. In this bag, you get an Allen key, some zip ties, and some 304 stainless steel cap screws. And then lastly, we have this 10-foot extension wire with some connectors that will fit on our OEM ones on our truck. And then in this last box, I just have my LP frame. This is CNC aluminum, and I believe this is in the satin finish, and this will fit our module perfectly. So again, this is just a nice add-on you can get if you want to get like that full frame look around your license plate, but I'll show you how this looks like with this on and with it off. So for the first step of this install, what you're gonna wanna do is remove your license plate from your truck. So all you're gonna need is a screwdriver for that. Mine is taped up and it doesn't have a frame around it, but if yours has a frame around it, you're gonna wanna remove that as well. Then open up your tailgate, because we're going to need to access the passenger side taillight. To remove the taillight, we're going to remove this top bolt and this bottom bolt right here. These are both 10mm bolts. Now you can remove the taillight by gently pulling at it. Next, I'm gonna remove the reverse bulb, so I'm just going to twist that and pull it out. I'm going to remove it by pressing down on this tab and pulling it out. Then we're gonna remove this halogen bulb, and we're gonna replace them with our new 921 VLED lights. Now, in between this connector and this one, we are going to take our provided harness in the kit, plug this end from the kit's harness into this end on the factory harness. Then I'm gonna plug our bulb into the other end. And then lastly, we're going to reinstall our bulb into our tail light. Once we have everything connected, we can route this wire down through this access hole behind our tail light here. I just put the taillight back in place. I didn't put those two bolts back in because I want to test everything out once everything is hooked up. But this is just so we can close the tailgate so it's easier to work around the license plate area. Now at this point on the passenger side, you should have your wire hanging down. And I want you to see that behind the license plate, there is kind of this big wire loom. I'm going to zip tie this wire to the wiring loom. And basically what we want is this connector to be exposed behind the license plate over here. Next up is the fun part. We're going to actually plug in our LP module. So as you'll see, it has a female connector at the end, and you're just gonna plug that in to the male connector that we have zip tied along this big wiring harness. Now, if you don't have the frame, basically it's just going to look like this once everything is mounted in place and plugged in. But because I have the frame, the first thing I'm gonna do is route the wire through this hole. And then as you can see, these two pieces sit perfectly flush. So next I'm going to plug this in. I'm gonna take my license plate and put it behind the frame. And then I'm going to use the provided bolts to mount the license plate, the frame, and the LED bar itself. So now everything should be hooked up for this piece to work. Additionally, you can kind of see our new reverse light in our passenger side tail light. And then off camera, I added the other reverse light on the driver's side tail light. So both of my tail lights aren't fully bolted in, they're just snapped in for now. That is because I want to turn on the truck, put it in reverse, and see if this light, that light, and this light, of course, basically turn on when the truck is in reverse. Once I can verify that, I will fully bolt these tail lights in. So it looked like all of that worked. Now I'm going to bolt the taillights back into place and then we're done. So I definitely want to know what you guys think about this product in the comment section down below. Do you think it would be worthwhile for you to install on your truck? In person, this makes a huge difference. I hope the camera did it justice. But anyways, thanks for watching. Again, all the kits will be in the description box down below. If you want to connect more with me, you can follow me on my Instagram. It is at ChloeKuoTaco. I post more content in real time on there. But other than that, thank you again, and I hope I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.